Hello friends, today we are going to make some colorful handprint art of India's national symbols, the tree, flag, bird, animal, flower and fruit. Plus you'll learn some fun facts along the way. First up, the banyan tree, a national tree. Did you know it's one of the largest trees in the world? Its branches grow so wide that they look like an entire forest. Now let's make the pride of our nation, the Indian flag. The saffron stands for courage, white for peace and green for growth, and the blue Ashoka chakra in the center has 24 spokes for truth and justice. Use your fingers to create the orange, white and green stripes and draw a small circle on the Ashoka chakra in the middle. Doesn't it look amazing? Next is the dazzling peacock, a national bird. Did you know peacocks use their beautiful feathers to dance and attract their friends? Use a handprint for the peacock's body and your fingers to create its colorful feathers. Make it as bright and beautiful as possible, just like the real one. Now let's meet the fierce tiger, India's national animal. Tigers are powerful hunters and their stripes are like fingerprints. No two are the same. Paint your hand orange, press it down and add black stripes with a brush. Don't forget its big paws and friendly face to complete the look. Moving on to the lotus, a national flower, even though it grows in muddy water, it blooms so beautifully, symbolizing purity and strength. Use pink or white paint for your handprint to make the petals and add a green leaf underneath to make it look like it's floating on water. Last but not least is the mango, India's national fruit. Mangoes are known as the king of fruits and India is the largest producer of mangoes in the world. Paint your hand yellow or orange, press it down and add a green leaf for the stem. It looks so juicy and delicious. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the next STEM video activities.